Looks like the train's in, guys. Okay guys, looks like there's some RMC workers right here working in the station. There's one right there, another one right there. Don't know if they're RMC workers or like electricians, but there is work being done still in the station, which is right outside of where we're going to be entering for Gwazi. Right there. It looks like there's some construction work going on. And the queue doesn't look too much work's been going on. Side where I'm gonna guess it's gonna be, but yeah, looks good going inside the queue. Okay guys, I didn't see this when I walked by the first time, but it looks like there's a ladder because they're still doing some of the coverings and stuff. Also, I don't know if anyone's ever reported on this, but they've replaced the fans from the original Gwazi huts. I don't know if anyone's updated anyone on that, but yeah, that's happening. It looks like there's also another fan way over there. So there's 2 new fans that I know of. No, 3. There's another one. I'm just saying this as I go. But here's the station from the original Gwazi. You go out this direction, which is where it looks like it's correlating, and they also looks like they took out this queue right here that used to be here. Maybe not, maybe that's queue stuff. But we're gonna go on this side. Oh, I hear RMC workers. But anyway, this ride looks amazing. It looks like they're keeping some of the queue stuff. Anyway, it looks like you're going out this way to where the original Tiger side was. Going up that massive 205-foot lift hill, guys. Looks amazing. Can't wait to ride this in 2020. Got my Platinum Pass ready. This ride looks so good.
Where's my...
Oh!
We need to ride this at night. That Christmas tree is gonna get alive. That Christmas tree lights up.
Oh! Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. And we will see you out in the queues.